This is the biggest piece I've ever tried to make. I fumbled through, this slicer thing, and these little tree-like things are like being created to support the top of this turret. One of them broke off the off the pallet, and it's just bouncing around there. And when the thing travels back and forth, you can hear it hitting another one. So these things, I watched the video about the slicer that came with this, and the guy was talking about all these changes that he made in the settings. But the problem is, he was using the same slicer, that I have, but he had like a newer version of it. And if I updated it, it would go right past the version he had. I mean, I still could update it, but there's no more updates after this, the last update. And so this is the next slicer. And this, I think there's a lot of advanced settings too, but I've got to find a video that explains it better, because it's totally different than this other program. And it's an application. You see that thing there bouncing around? That broke off the pallet. So there's going to be a spot on the roof that isn't going to be very well supported. And maybe the roof of the turret won't come out that good. And it's almost 50% done. But a lot of it is going to be the top. So I don't know. I haven't used this machine in almost 2 years. So I figured, I want to try to do something with it. Because I guarantee if I tried to sell this in 2 years, there's so many different 3D printers out there that nobody would want it. I don't know, but this pot looks like it's coming out pretty nice, but what's going to happen to the roof now that I'm missing one support? And another one, like right now it's building up on top of the supports. And you're going to hear one, it's going to go crunch as it goes past it. Jeez, there's another one. I don't know. I hope it doesn't start deforming the pot like that first boat that I made. That thing was horrendous, but that was because the table, our whole table was shaking. And I put these massive supports in to hold the table from shaking. And, they attached to the ceiling. So I don't know how this is going to come out. I know they have a different support that I could use next time. But the guy that I really liked his video explaining the slicer that I have, like the first slicer, he said he liked this type. But he had, he put in the program that the thing would, move up a little bit as it moved to the next one, then come back down. So it's like a CNC, the thing is going up and down, and it's just printing on these pots, and it moves up when it goes to the next one, so it's not ramming into them. Because of the plastic pools, because this is thinner, these supports are thinner, and they kind of get distorted. I don't know. I can't sit here all day and watch this. It's going to take a couple more hours to finish. It's been running 2 hours and 17 minutes, and it's like 48.25% finished. Jeez. Anyway, I'm just gonna go upstairs. I ate breakfast and that's it. I had a few nuts. I gotta go up and eat something.